If your email list is growing, but your revenue isn't, then this is for you. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the major lessons I've learned being in the industry for 7 years and sending over 100 million emails over the last 12 months. So if you're ready to make your emails actually work in 2025, let's get into it. Let's start off with the biggest killer of performance, email fatigue. Similar to how meta ads start to perform poorly with higher frequency, the same goes with emails. You know the type, same subject line, vibe, same layout, same call to actions every single week. It's like showing up to a party wearing the same outfit for 6 months straight. I mean, yeah, it's cool when Steve Jobs does it, but people notice and eventually they stop inviting you. Now here's what you need to do instead. Mix in different content formats and angles. Include a customer story email. Share how your product has specifically helped a customer in need. And MusicBed crushed it with this specific email here. Or use an angle of a founder POV. Share how the founder came up with the business idea. Was there a need in the market for this business? Get vulnerable. People listen to people, and they love a good underdog story. And Hostage Tape did a fantastic job with this specific email here. Moving on to myth busting. Did you know type emails? Educate your subscribers on common myths in the industry and how your brand is tackling those specific myths. Now, Base covered it very well in this email right here. Product teaser and sneak peek emails also go a long way. Would you go see a movie if you didn't see the trailer first? Well, the same goes for your subscribers. Give them a little taste of what's to come with your brand, whether it's a company update or a new product launch. You could literally take the same design as Huel here and run it. Just blur out the photo of what you're going to be releasing and give them a little taste of what's to come. Now, a bonus move you can do is run a behind the scenes drop preview. At Aspect, we've been using these templates for clients in Klaviyo, just a clean image, short copy, and a teaser of what's coming. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you just need a variety. Think of your email content like a Netflix queue. Nobody wants to watch the same movie 5 times a week, but if you do, I'm not gonna judge. Now, if your list growth has stalled or your new subscribers aren't converting, it's probably your pop-up. A good pop-up isn't just enter your email for 10% off. That's table stakes, a baseline, and you know you could do better. We've been testing across clients these offers lately. Tiered offers like a spin to win style without being very tacky or gimmicky, adding a little bit of gamification to your pop-ups. A UGC style pop-up, short quote plus a photo, makes them feel more personal, and that connection will help build trust and convert at a higher clip. Instead of doing an offer discount, switching to a lead magnet. And this is especially important for premium and non-discounting brands. And now, depending on the brand, lead magnets have worked really, really well. Like this one from Mossy Oak, giving away turkey targets instead of discounting. And this specific pop-up converts at a 45% clip every turkey season. And here's the key. Whatever promise you're going to make in the pop-up, deliver on it instantly. Your welcome flow should hit within 60 seconds, no delays. And at Aspect, we have a standard welcome flow with 3 to 5 emails and an optional SMS layer tailored based on average order value and product category. And we've seen flows like this drive up 40% of first purchase revenue for new subscribers. Now, moving away from pop-ups and going on to the next tactic. While everyone is doing hyper-designed emails right now, do you know what stands out? A plain, founder-style text email that feels like it was actually written by a human. We use these all the time, whether it's for product restock and giving customers a heads up on new products coming in, a founder letter, or why we made this, or it could be even a quick 2-sentence win-back nudge, something along the lines of, hey, are you still there? These crush because informing people from the founder or CEO helps drive more engagement. The audience feels like they're becoming a part of something and something bigger than themselves, whether it's brand building, showing up to that new release, or even just a plain reminder. But don't overdo it. Drop one every few campaigns so that way your audience doesn't get numb to the casual vibe. Similar to the first tip that I mentioned. Now here's a pro tip for you if you're gonna be setting this up. Send from a different sender name, like John from Nike, instead of your brand name. It makes it feel more personal and boosts open rates. Moving on to some automations. You don't need 40 automations running in the background. You just need 4 to 5 really good ones that are clean, intentional, and hyper optimized. I've been in accounts where there's hundreds of automations stacked on top of each other, micro-segmented out for each specific product case, and can you guess how they performed? Yeah, they just didn't. Almost no revenue coming in from the flow side. Similar to day trading, more monitors don't make you more money, and more flows don't make you more money either. So prioritize your effort with the core 5 flows. The welcome flow, the abandonment flows, the post-purchase flow, win back, and then replenishment and subscription nudges, if it makes sense. Now focus on making these tight. No dead ends, no overlapping logic, and clean exclusions, like suppressing buyers from a welcome flow. Because at that point, it just doesn't even make sense to include them. The wrong way to think about it is set it and forget it. You need to think about it like this. Set it, watch it, tweak it, and then move on. And if you want to learn more about automation strategies, we actually have a video right up here that you can watch right after this one and learn more on how your flows should be set up. Now moving on to segmentation. Similar to flows, it's not about slicing your list into a million microgroups. It's about knowing who's worth emailing right now. And you want to start simple. Last engaged in 30 days, bought in the last 60, but hasn't bought again. We want to replenish those people. And have viewed product X, but didn't buy. Then match your messaging to that segment's mindset, not just their behavior. And for frequency, 2 to 4 emails per week is totally fine if you're constantly rotating content and you're suppressing unengaged users. Now, if you're burning through your list with the same message to everyone, you're doing it wrong and will likely burn through your list faster. And if you want a lesson in that, just go back up to the first point of the video. Now, last but not least, SMS. If email is the drumbeat, SMS is the knockout punch. No matter the size of the brand you run or whether your AOV is high or low, SMS is a powerful tool when implemented correctly into your flows and campaigns. Now, we personally use SMS to recover carts, launch fast-moving drops, and deliver your discount code ends tonight type nudges. But don't treat SMS like email. Keep it short, keep it sweet, keep it direct, and make sure that you're using low frequency. We don't want to barrage these people with texts like a toxic ex-girlfriend. We want to make sure that these SMS messages are very high intent and targeted to a person-specific need, whether it's discounts, product launches, etc. And as a bonus, you can pair your welcome email with a short SMS about 10 minutes later, and we've tested this across multiple platforms, PostScript, Klaviyo, OmniSend, and it works across the board. SMS doesn't need to be a daily habit. It just needs to matter when it shows up. So let's do a quick recap. Add variety to your emails, level up your pop-up, start implementing plain text and sprinkling them in there when it makes sense. Simplify your automations. Don't run 50 automations because some YouTube bro told you. And I'm not gonna be that YouTube bro. Segment smarter and use SMS like a closer, not like a newsletter. Now, if this helped, hit that like button down below so YouTube knows to show it to some more marketers and operators. And if you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe down below to get videos on a weekly basis. And if you want my team at Aspect to take a look under the hood of your retention strategy, we're offering a free email and SMS audit for all YouTube subscribers. So link in the description below. Now, YouTube thinks that you're going to love this video right here. So go ahead and check that out next, and I'll see you in the next one.